How will she none? Does she not give us things? Is she not proud? Does she not count her blessed?
Proud can I never be of what I hate, but thanks to even for hate, that is meant love.
Come with me, past hope, past tears, past help.
Ah, Juliet, I already know thy grief. It strains me the past, the compass of my wit. I hear thou must, and nothing may prorogue it. On Thursday next we married to this county.
Tell me not, fire, that thou hearest of it, unless thou tell me how I may prevent it.
Hold, daughter, I despy a kind of hope, which craves as desperate an execution.
I, those that are best, but gentle nurse, I pray thee, leave me to myself tonight, for I have need of many horizons, to move the heavens to smile upon my face, which, well thou knowest, is cross and full of sin. What? Are you busy? Do you need my help?
No, madam, we have called such necessaries as are be hopeful for our sake tomorrow. So please, you let me know, be left alone, and let the nurse this night sit up with you, for I am sure you have your hands full of in this so solemn business.
Good night. Get thee to bed and rest, for thou hast need.
Farewell. God knows when we shall meet again.
Hold then, go home. Be merry, give consent. To marry Paris, Wednesday is tomorrow. Tomorrow night look thou lie alone. Let thy diners lie with thee in thy chamber. Take thou this vial, being then in bed, and this distilled pure drink thou of, when presently through all thy veins shall run a cold and rosy humor, for no pulse shall keep in this native progress, but succeed. No warmth, no wit shall testify your leader. The roses in thy lids and cheeks shall fade. To play ashes, thy eyes, windows fall, like death, when shut up the day of life. Each part the bride of supple government shall stiff and stark and cold appear like death. And this is borrow likeness of shrunk death. Thou shalt continue and 40 hours, and then awake as from a pleasant sleep. Now, we the bridegroom in the morning comes, to rouse thee from thy bed, there art thou dead. Then, as the manner of our country is, in the best robes uncovered on their thou shalt be born to that same ancient vault, where all kindred of the Capulets lie. In the meantime, against thou shalt awake. Shall Romeo by my letters know our grief, and hither shall she come, and he and I will watch thy walking, and that very night shall Romeo bear thee hence to Mantua, and he shall free thee from this present shame, if no inconstant toy, nor womanish fear, abate thy valor in acting it.
Sarah!
How does my lady? Is my father well? My fair is my Juliet. That I ask again, for nothing can be ill, and she will be well.
Then she's well, if nothing can be ill. Her body sleeps in Papa's monument.
Apothecary! Apothecary!
Who comes from now?
Let me have a dram of poison, such true and speeding car, as will disperse itself through all the veins.
Such mortal drugs I have, but man's law is dead to any he that utters them.
The word is neither friend, nor word's law. The world affords no law to take thee rich. Then be not poor, but break it and take this.
My poverty, but not my will. God said.
Play thy poverty, and not thy will.
Eat in any liquid thing you will, and drink it off. And if you had the strength of 20 men, it will dispatch you straight.
I sell thee poison, thou hast sold me none. Farewell, thy food, and get thyself in flesh. Come, cordial and not poison, go with me to Juliet's grave, for there must I see thee.